Hi guys, it's Janelle K, and today I'm going to be reviewing two LOL Surprise Series 4 pets. And I'm sorry in the background, that's just our cat. So, today I'm going to be reviewing some. Yes, I have opened it already. So, let's just get started. So, I've got a blue ball here. Inside I got Chihuahua. This is how she looks. Oh, sorry guys, that was my cat. This Chihuahua with her. Sorry, it keeps on knocking it over. So this is with her shirt that has a bee on it. Her name's Chihuahua. So this is how the secret message looks like. And here's the checklist. Here's the checklist, you guys. This is the checklist. And this is the sand. It has the blue. Sorry. That's my cat again. So this is the sand. It's like a dark pink, but I do not know. I don't know if you guys could see it clearly here, but it's a dark pink, and it comes with bubbles for the mystery surprise. And in the stand, she comes with this flag that says wolf. Sorry, my cat's in the background playing with some of my stuff. Okay, so now I'm gonna put these to the side. I'm gonna put everything to the side, okay? Everything's to the side right. Stop it. Everything's to the side right now. And so now I'm gonna be opening this one. This one is also opened. So I'm just gonna take off the wrapper. It says Series I Spy. LOL Surprise Pets. Comes with 7 surprises. So it's a pink ball. I got Show Pony. I opened these yesterday. I got them from Target. So if you're looking for some, you could go to Target. They're just $9.99. $10 basically. So this is her. Her harness came with the inside of her sand. Oh, sorry guys. It's because of the harness. Okay, so this is her. Show Pony. That's her name, Show Pony. I'm really happy I got one of the ponies. And this is her bottle. It says, have you seen Meow? Missing. She has a gold top and a dark pink bottom. I don't know if you guys could see it. The dark pink. And comes with the secret message. The secret message, it says Queen Bee. And the other one says Smarty Pants. Here's the thing so you could carry it. And down here is the scooper. It has like a little horseshoe on it. And this is the sand. The sand is like a white I think a kind of white. And inside it came with the harness that I showed you on the pony. The harness. I like the details on this. I like that when you close it, the design gets stamped on there. You can't really see it right now. So if you wanted to see it, you just do this. You flip it around the other way. Put it down a little. Then you just put this on the top. Then it's done. So close it up. Then it's gonna be stamped. See? It says LOL with some paw prints. Okay. So that's all of it. In the back of the checklist, forgot to show you guys, there's top secret, and you have to get the pet's secret message, underwrapped secret message, and little sister's secret message. And every time you open one on the wrappers, there's letters and a drawing. And like on the one I got for the pets, I got a collar and it was an E. If you guys know any more, please put in the comments. Sorry, that's my cat. So that's what it says. So when you're all finished with all of these, then you could decode the message. Okay, that's it. Bye, guys.